So 3 marking steps in flamenco that you can use as a basis for everything. We're going to go over right now. So we have a front marking, which is just a front step to the side, front step to the side. That's number 1. And then we have a side marking, so out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross, out, back, forward, forward, cross. That's number 2. And then last one, we go around in a circle. Ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da-ka-dum, ba-dum. All right, so those 3 marking steps you will use forever in flamenco. So if you are a brand new beginner, just keep your hands on your hips, and as we progress, if you have more experience, then you can add your arms and follow along with me. But if it gets too much, just keep your hands on your hips and just focus on getting the feet going. So we are in a 12 count, which is the majority of flamenco, where we have the compás, the rhythm or the measure, starts on 12 and then it ends on 10. So that's 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that front marking, we have forward to the side and then switch, forward to the side and switch, right leg front to the side and left leg front to the side. So that you want to relax your hips and do not lift that back leg. You want to keep that back leg firmly planted. So again, we have forward to the side and forward to the side and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our first marking. The second marking, our side step, we are going out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross. Okay? And now we'll repeat it on the left. Out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross. Again, out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross, out, cross, out, back, forward, forward, and cross. So the counts are 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So with the accents in that rhythm, in that compás, so we had, it started on 12 and ended on 10. The accents are 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all right. The last marking step is just going around it in a circle. So you're on your standing left leg, and we'll kind of paddle around with the right. So we have chest up, shoulders down, and you're going to be at a slight diagonal. You can keep your hands on your hips if having the arms moving is too much. And you have, this one actually is in threes. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch. Stand on that right leg. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch. 12, 1, 2, 3. So you're standing on the left leg. And switch now on the right leg. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to alternate between those 3 markings. And we're going to use solo compás, which just means just kind of like the drum machine of flamenco. So there's no guitar, no singing, just the background rhythm. to keep us in time. And so we're going to alternate between those 3 markings. Remember, we had our front marking, our side marking, and then going around in the circle. And now we'll call it out. We'll do 4 compasses of each. That means 4 counts of 12 of each. And I will add different arms. But again, if it's too much for you, just keep your hands on your hips. Okay, so let's start with the rhythm. 8, 9, 10, the compás. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, front marking, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and front to the side, front to the side, and front to the side. And we're going to switch. 7, 8, 9, 10, and out, cross out, back, front, front, cross, out, front, out, back, front, front, cross, and out, out, back, back, and cross. Last one, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, to the left, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, last one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and palmas, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last one, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, front, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, and out, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last one, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, to the right, out, cross, out, back, front, front, cross, and out, cross, out, back, front, front, cross, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, around, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are 3 different markings that you can use in flamenco and using it for the 12 count. And this, we just did it using solo compás. And you can follow other videos where I'm going to use those same moves, but we'll just apply it to different music. So you can find the links everywhere for that. And if you're ready to join and dance with me a little bit more intensely, you can follow the links to find me at the Online Flamenco Studio, where we dance with our complete mind, body, and soul.